Welcome back, everyone, to License to Send. We are having more CTSV fun here. So I think last we left y'all, we'd only done the bottom end, nothing else. So today we're going to try to get some of the top end assembled, maybe some accessories, eventually get to the supercharger possibly today. Chris right now is going to kind of work on some of the trunnion kit. So I have a Straub Technologies, I'll show y'all here. It's a bushing trunnion kit here. We're not going to use bearings. I know there's like a lot of guys will say, you can run them no problem. He's probably one of those guys, as long as you do it right. I just seen a lot of issues on the pages and the V pages where people had talked about having issues with bearings and shit falling out. So we're going to go to a bushing style, kind of see how that works out. It'll be something new for you, right? Yeah. So he never done them before. We'll get to experience that. Obviously new for me too. So, but he's going to kind of play with that a little bit. I am going to go clean up the heads and valve covers while he does that. So I'll leave y'all with a nice little time lapse of him going over that process. We got a, what is that? What tool does they call that?
It's just a trunnion bearing tool.
Trunnion bearing tool. So that'll make the job a lot easier. And well, obviously, we have a press, so it should go pretty smooth for him. And then after we do that, we'll have valve springs that we can do as well, and start getting some things going. But yeah, check out the time lapse. Thanks, guys. Alright, well, Chris was able to get half the set done. He's still working on the other half. Well, here we go. Little fucking, come on, focus.
To freeze something.
Focus.
That's what I was thinking. Just focus. Whatever.
So, I'm going to go ahead and start installing these in one of the heads while he works on the second half. Shouldn't take too long, and after that we'll get around to doing some of the valve springs.
Yeah, valve springs, valve guides, retainers.
All that fun jazz.
All that good stuff.
Yeah. So, alrighty. Well, from the time lapse, able to see Chris was able to knock quite a bit of these out, and we got them all done. So, got all the little bushings are in there now. It's all nice and woozah, 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 you know, nice and smooth.
Yeah, that's the Straub Technologies kit.
Yup. So.
And we used a Powerhouse 54702-TL tool. Makes life real easy.
I'll just put that in the description or something. But yeah, that tool made pretty quick work of everything, I'd say. So, but now we're gonna move over to the valve springs and retainers and all that components. So I'll probably move the camera over there. We'll time lapse that also. But it's all BTR, Brian Tooley Racing stuff. Again, we're just using the factory heads for now, no ported or anything, just to kind of, budget and time, considering Nothing else about this was considered part of the budget. We just kind of forced it. My wallet hurts still. Send money. Buy merch. That'll help. There's merch in the description. Website, you can check it out. That'd be real cool. Maybe we'll put up some stickers. Should figure out some stickers maybe? Oh yeah, and just real quick, you can see I cleaned up all the valve covers, cleaned the heads pretty well. Probably not perfection, but good enough to make it look good when it's in the engine bay. I don't know why I spaced there, but all new gaskets. Kind of not really taking any chances on a lot of stuff. Kind of been buying new gaskets for everything, even though I could probably reuse a lot of it, but we're gonna stick the time-lapse camera over here while we do the valve springs and stuff, so y'all could get a kind of good look at that. Or should we just regular record it?
It's gonna take a while too, so
We're gonna time-lapse it because it's gonna be a while. Enjoy the music, whatever I pick. Hopefully it's something not dainty or classical. We can do classical, right? Maybe we'll do metal music. Yeah. Y'all comment. Let us know what kind of music y'all want to hear in time lapses. Maybe next time we'll.
yeah, maybe next time we'll care.
Yeah, maybe next time I'll actually listen to what y'all say. You just got to comment though. Be sure to throw that and like the video if you like what we're doing. Send money. All right, real quick, I just thought I'd share this with y'all real quick. We had one of these
Valve stem seals.
valve stem seals that was just completely gone, and this other one we pulled out looks like it was I need to focus here. Partially broken. This was a kit we've had laying around for a couple of years. Got it through Street Driven Performance, through Waffle House. I think it's renamed now. Leave a link somewhere. Half of this, all the valve train is pretty much sponsored by them, more or less. So, thanks to Vladdy and Donald. Appreciate it. Wink.
Yeah, glad we got new ones because those are no bueno.
Yeah, I mean, this was something we were going to replace before the engine blew up. This is something kind of on our project list, relatively quick, that we're getting ready to do. So to kind of prep for cam and everything, but just funny. Thought I'd share that with you. Back to the time lapse. Well, it was just on the time lapse. We were able to get all of that done. We had a couple of them that were broken, which is pretty interesting. Might explain some of the white smoking I had, like on some takeoffs, and especially on startup. But as I said, it was something we were getting to before everything kind of went kaput. So right now, I don't know if we'll get to put the heads on tonight, but go ahead and go start dropping the lifters. I was thinking valves the whole time. That's all I could think was valves. I'm going to start dropping the lifters in the engine block. See what we can do to get that going, and maybe we'll get to the heads. We'll just kind of see how it goes.
Yeah, we still got to do a little bit of cleanup on the heads, and we got to get bolts for the lifter trays.
Yeah, different kind of lifter tray than OEM on the LSA blocks. They're kind of using these GM. I guess it's like a LSX style, but they work specifically for this Dart block. So I'll kind of get some of the stuff ready and see what we can do. Alrighty, we got all the lifters put in. We don't have it bolted in just yet. We got to get bolts for these. Where's that flashing? You can see it's a little different than like the
typical LS.
Yeah, so pretty interesting.
And you can actually access them from the lifter valley.
Yep, so right there you can get to everything from up here, provided your supercharger's not in the way, you know. But I'm gonna have to hunt down some bolts. Seems like there's some, you know, it's a same thread and everything as the what was it, the
coils.
Yeah, the coils, but the bolts are too long. So we at least have an idea and a lead on like what kind of thread and stuff we'll need. Just got to get a shorter bolt, but I forget what website it was. I found them online, so we could just buy them and have them shipped in. But I mean, I feel like it's a pretty decent day's work. We just got to get to the point now where we get the bolts for that, cleaning the bottom of the heads pretty well, and then just
it's going to completely go together at that point.
Yeah, head gaskets, heads will go on. We have the, okay, anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Buy merch if you want.
Send money.
Send money. Yeah. Maybe those will be stickers. Who knows? Let me know if y'all wanted stickers, what kind of stuff y'all would like to see. Maybe I'll do some designs or something. Check the other socials. They'll be in the description as well. Thank y'all. Goodbye. Done. Custom.